Here it says overseas nationals who do not reside in the UK or those who are currently studying in the UK, we offer, which means we offer means we give, okay? We offer flexible working, subsidized meal, subsidized accommodation, attractive pay-in with UK visa and immigration guidance, opportunity to train and develop toward a UK recognized qualification, which require you to make a personal financial contribution toward this before commencing employment with this agency that I'm going to show you in today's video. And if you look at this place, they said we offer flexible working, visa sponsorship, subsidized meal, free training, subsidized accommodation. Okay, so which means the accommodation is applicable to the first category of people and also applicable to the second category of people, also the meal as well and the visa sponsorship. Note, if you skip this video at any point, you might not get the full gist before you go ahead and apply into this agency that is recruiting with full visa sponsorship, free accommodation, subsidized meal, free training, flexible working hours, and every benefit you can think of right now, okay? One thing I want you to do before we proceed or we talk too much about this agency and also see how you can easily apply is I want you to please click on that like button, turn on the notification bell. If you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you have any question, drop it at the comment box. That is what I want you to do right now, please. That is how you can support this channel right now, okay? So having said that, we also need to know that if an overseas nationals who do not require in the UK or those that are currently studying can apply into this program, those who are also currently in the UK also have the opportunity to apply. But note that you should be an international graduate who have successfully completed a course of study in the UK, who qualify for a skilled worker visa, okay? This is when you can get this visa sponsorship job, okay? So if you're an international graduate that is currently in the UK right now, you can apply to this. And if you are an overseas nationals who want to migrate and come to UK right now, then you can also apply into this post, okay? So if we also go up and see other things, says being a care worker is a very important role and it suits anyone who have a genuine empathy on vulnerable people. So if you are interested in joining them, they have 3 routes of employment, okay? We've seen 2 of this route and this is the 3rd route, which is the UK resident, okay? You will be either British or Irish citizen or those with existing rights to work in the UK, okay? So those are the 3 major categories of people, but we are majorly concerned as an international applicant to this recruiting agency. I want you to know that if you want to apply into this care working opportunity with this visa sponsorship, then you need to come to this website right now to submit or to file an application, okay? So you can also come right here and read more about these people, what they offer, what is the type of services they have, okay? So you can come to this right side here where they have their sidebar here. So you can click on any of this and start clicking on any of those ones, okay? So I've clicked on I think I click on one of them, which is nursing care. So care suit for people with nursing need, okay? So that is the one I click on, nursing care. Woodchurch House is a purpose-built home in peaceful ground on the outskirts of the village of Woodchurch, near Ashford in Kent. It provides accommodation for residents with nursing care need, and it offers a choice of either studio or one-bed care suite, okay? So you get that now. The home is divided into 2 social groups, one for physical frailty and the other for people with dementia, that's mental illness, okay, or mental illness, okay. So you can just go through, and I also I come to the section where it says documents. You can see some of their documents, staff job description, if you want to see their job description. So I think I opened one of them. This is one of the documents that you have here. So this is going to guide you a lot, okay? So this is one of the reasons I asked you to stick around so that you can understand better, okay? So once you click on this document, it brings you to this particular page, and you can start checking every information that you need to check. So if you want to see information about the staff recruitment and the pay rate, you can come here, come and check it, and it will do justice to everything that you need to know. If you also want anything about the staff job description, everything, audit policy, induction, mandatory training, everything you need to know, it is on this page, okay? So now let's go back and click on jobs. So when we click on jobs, let's see this particular page that I shared with you earlier. So you are going to see this section where it says application of employment. To apply for employment with us, please complete the online application form. Now, for you to complete the application form, there are some important information that you need to know or you need to take note of, okay? If you want to complete this application successfully, then you should prepare some information, which I'm going to share with you right now, okay? So here it says position apply for, require, that's what you want to apply for right now. Then is either part-time or full-time. I will advise you go for the full-time section, okay? Because this is more better, okay? So this is more better for you. And how did you hear about this vacancy? You can put it right there, okay? Also, it says accommodation require. Of course, yes, require accommodation. Then you are going to put your first name. That's, I say first name, your full name, your middle name, your title, Mr., Mrs., Doctor, all of those information, okay? So, Mr., your address, put the correct address, okay? Then you scroll down, telephone number, this is home cell phone, okay? Then this is mobile, then your email address, put it there, then person to contact in emergency, that's like next of kin, all of those information. Then your nationality, your date of birth, your national insurance number, you don't have that, so you have to skip that. Then registration with professional bodies, for example, the NMC or HCPC, so your membership, your registration number, date of registration, all of those information, you are going to provide it. Then there's a section that you need to understand, right to work in the UK. You have to come here and click on require, okay? So you can put I require visa sponsorship, all of those information, so you understand everything to put right here, okay? So because it is on that previous page, already granted to previous employer, no, it is required. Then you need visa sponsorship, accommodation, all of those things. Accommodation has been stated above, so you don't need to repeat that again. Now, you need 2 references for you to complete this form. Said, please give 2 names and addresses of one of which should be that of your most recent employer. We will not contact reference unless employment is offered or permission is given, okay? So you need 2 of them. Then here, reference will not be contacted. So if you give them permission, they can contact your reference. Then you put in your education qualification, your school, college, university they attended, qualification attained, your grade, and all of those information. So if you are currently working, you can put in those information here. Then employment history, you can provide that in this table, okay? So then all of those other information, you can fill it, make sure you go through it, okay? Non-EU citizen also bring evidence of your right to work in the UK visa, work permit, and home office confirmation, evidence that you are a student if studying in the UK. For nurses, also bring NMC statement of entry, PIN card, post-qualification certificate. If you are offered a position, we will require bank details, okay? So, which is where they will have to push in your payments to, okay? So, if once you fill all this information, then you will see the button that you are going to use to submit, okay? So, I hope this step-by-step guide you through how you can easily apply to this recruiting agency. Remember, this is Woodchurch care suit, okay? So this is Woodchurch care suit, okay? So you want to make sure you apply to them Woodchurch house care suit. So that's the full name, okay? But it is Woodchurch care suit. That's what I always call them. Okay, so if you find this video useful, please don't forget to click on that like button. A lot of people are looking for information like this. Okay, so please do well to click on that like button. If you have any question, drop them at the question or at the comment box so that I can give response to them. And of course, if you want to send me a thank you, you can send that. You are going to see that very close to the like button. You are going to see the like button and the thank you button together. If you've not subscribed to this channel, make sure you do well to subscribe to this channel. And if you want to join my membership group, you can feel free to join my membership group. You are going to see the join button so that in case of application like this, school application, job application, all of those information that you need, I will guide you in the membership group. Also, I will have you are going to have access to my phone contacts so that we can talk one-on-one. Okay, so I think we have 100 videos already. So by the time you are watching this, it should be 102. Okay, so we keep pushing until every one of us migrate abroad successfully, seamlessly, without going through the stress, without breaking bank, and easily. Okay, so till then, I will catch up with you in another one. Thank you.